Assalamu alaikum friends, once again welcome to our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be may Almighty keep you happy, keep you homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy like this. Amin. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful, amazing crochet flowers basket designs, ideas, beautiful colors, beautiful contrasts, very amazing colorful crochet flowers basket designs, ideas. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow, be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs. Show the people in all the designs that I'm sharing with you today are all new designs brought to channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friend, this video is very helpful and useful. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our video. If you want to watch fashion any videos, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar designs for yourself. This type of designs is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. I will share with you some different designs. Thanks you watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.